Hi everyone. Recently both gold and silver have been on a tear, reaching, gold has reached all-time highs and silver multi-year highs. But here's a couple of techniques where you can compare the two charts. So we've got them side by side here, but another way to do it, I'm going to use the GLD symbol from World Indices. First I'm going to click multiple codes. So gold, SLV for silver, and then open list as relative comparison chart, and that's going to make a percentage change. So I've got it over the last 5 years. We can do it over the last year, and you can see silver's up 69% compared to gold at 37%, and you can change the look back and even select a specific date. You can also create ratio charts, so one divided by the other. So again, there's a couple of ways to do that. So let's just open a chart of GLD, and we have a tool called RIC, Relative Index Comparison. There it is at the top of my list, and by default it'll choose the S&P 500 because it's based in the US, but we can change that to silver. So basically all this is doing, so just change the comparison index there to SLV. All it's doing is dividing gold by SLV to see the relative strength. So you can see silver, or has been, because this is sloping down, gold has been underperforming against silver, as seen in that relative comparison chart, at least over the last since the lows in March. Gold did well, but you'd been better off getting into silver. One other thing we can do is create a ratio chart. So data, custom codes, this is where you can build your own formulas. So this is gold divided by silver. We've given it a name and a ticker symbol, and so we can open that. So this is now an actual chart. So we can put this in a watch list. We can use it to scan. So it's exactly the same shape as that RIC tool because it's doing exactly the same thing. It's dividing gold by silver, but it's just a different way of seeing it on the chart. Finally, another way to look at the relative strength is on a RRG. So this has got silver as the benchmark, daily on the left, and you can see because gold has been underperforming, it's in the lagging quadrant, and over the last 12 weeks as well, you can see that it's swept pretty steadily all the way through from leading. So just a few ways there to look at two pairs against each other. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.